In a world ready for console, your PC Unity game is a hit on Steam. Now let's conquer the living room. We are a porting specialist team that handles the technical challenges of bringing your game to PlayStation 5 and 4 Xbox Series X and S and one Nintendo Switch. Let's talk.
Access granted.
We handle the porting. You focus on the game. If you are having issues getting your games onto Switch or PS5, might I suggest a program that my client has been running successfully for a few years now. They will port, optimize, publish, and market Unity-based PC games and add-on packs for each console entirely at their cost and risk. No recoupment. You receive nearly half of any revenues from Unit 1, reported and paid monthly. Let me know if this is interesting to you for any catalog titles you may have.